What's up, everybody? All right, everybody, wake up. This is Team Photographer King of Cali. Speed Fresh speaking. That's right. Today is the last event of the year. Space City 2022. And tomorrow's my birthday. I'll be 36 years old. Here we go. We got airplane show. We got a Piper Cub in the house. Yeah. How's your Piper Cherokee doing? Piper Cherokee 140. Good. Hey, Jason, that receiver, when that receiver goes out, you have to replace it. That happened the same thing. It did the same thing to me. My receiver was bad. The R617 FS, I had to replace it. It's no big deal. Things happen, man. It's part of the hobby, man. Oh, you the same guy from Scobie. That's right. There it is, buddy. Airplane show day. Let's go look around. We got Daryl Kirk in the house. Daryl Cook, Hobby Star 60. Oh, look at that. You stalled it. We got a little song playing in the background, guys. Just heads up. What's up, Daryl? We got a Piper Cub. Let me get away from the song, guys. Don't want any more copyrights. We got 86. Glistening. Oh, what is this? Hey, that's the one from This Is Planes. Nice. Yeah. We got two Hobby Star 6 in the house. Oh, what's this? We got John Keller in the house. Look at John Keller flying the Hobby Star 60. We got John Keller. Look at that. Hey, what's up? How you doing, Chuck?
Doing great, brother.
Good to see you, man.
What's happening, man?
Doing good, man. I did made this flight on my Seagull race for Delta 40 about 2 weeks ago. Finally did it.
Hey, bro.
No, he brings out the house. It won't attack when the gas stops because it's too small. Oh yeah, it's got a little wheel. The wheel is too small.
Yeah.
Anyway, I did 10 flights of it and she's good to go. I ordered a spinner for it. I bought the wrong size. So I gotta get this spinner right there. I'm gonna check that out. Oh, I didn't bring cash though, but I paid to pay the card. It's supposed to be 3-4.
We gotta go on the runway, so keep it up, please.
That's about it. I'm going to walk my hangout. I'll be around. Hey, how you doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing good, man. Happy to be here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, babe? How's it been? How's it hanging? Long time to see, man. What's so funny? Why you laughing?
His nickname's Gear Killer.
Gear
He's working on the gear.
Did you hear that, guys? Dave said his new nickname is Gear Killer. So he's working on the gear on this Focke-Wulf. You see what I'm saying, man? He said his nickname is Gear Killer. Just leave a comment down below what you think. All right. All right, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. This is it, baby. My birthday is tomorrow, December the 4th. I'll be 36 years old. And it's Christmas! Merry Christmas! And all the birds are flying south to the winter. Goodbye, birds. See you next year. See you next spring. It's getting a little hiccup. Yup, I hear it's getting a little hiccup. Well, turn.
Okay.
Don't go too far.
Landing.
Landing got an engine trouble.
That's what I know.
Good job, good job, good job. Nice landing, good job. It sounded like he was misfiring. Escapade 60 is down. Yeah, I heard it. You heard it. It was getting a little hiccup. My Delta 40 2 weeks ago.
I heard about that.
You did?
Yeah, you should have brought that thing. Somebody said
yeah, but the grass.
hauling ass.
Yeah, it's fast, but the wheel's too small. It can't tax it on the grass.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it can't tax it on the grass. Oh, somebody got a dead stick. Somebody got a dead stick. Ooh.
Dead stick. Keep it up. Dead stick.
All right, the plane's on the one-way, guys.
All right, plane's on the one-way, guys.
Keep them up.
Pilot on the runway. Keep them up.
Woo. Almost got a mid-air crash. Yeah, I'm gonna come.
Someone's landing.
Somebody's landing, guys. Oh, look at the lights on the PT-19. Nice. Oh, he's landing. He's landing. The guy in the blue shirt. Oh, he almost rolls over. Oh, the Escapade 60's down, okay. The Escapade 60's down. Oh, good, he got a fix.
All right, guys, so we'll let you know about
Oh!
30 minutes till
Got a fix! All right! Problem solved! Problem solved. Good job. Hey, I know that's right. Hey, Nat. You want to owe y'all with Blake? Okay. All right, thanks. All right. Bye-bye. We got all the Cubs up in the air. PT 19. Jimmy! I'm doing good. It's good to see you guys. Yeah, that blue cup was way too close. Gotta push them out, guys. Push them out. Did he hit Kevin? Oh. Tag it out! All right, here we go. That's right, baby. Tag it off!
Looks like he's only got 1 gear down. Maybe that's not the one that's landing.
Oh yeah, she flies great.
Oh yeah.
PT-17 STEARMEN. Finally get to fly the PT-17 STEARMEN, guys. Here we go.
Coming up here is the famous Joe Pastor. He's saying,
She's real jumpy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pushing to the right a little bit.
Let me put a couple clicks.
Yeah, more. Left click. All right.
Do it?
Yeah, I got it. And the nose is diving down just a little bit more.
Yeah, I got a little nose heavy.
Oh, got a little nose heavy.
Yeah. You know, you can adjust it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm always bad. I always be putting a little back pressure, so I never adjust it, but you can adjust it.
Okay, I got you.
There's a lot of pilots I know they like to just to be able to control it without having to worry about.
Gotcha.
You need to adjust it, go ahead.
Yeah.
I know you're an ace pilot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna trim it out for you.
Back in the day, you used to have to do my armor effort.
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I remember. I'll never forget that. About 7 years ago. Oh yeah.
Alright, good job, Chris.
You're the only one in there, brother, so you got it. If you
Yep.
want to change pattern, you can.
Okay.
You're the only one in there.
I'm already clear now.
Yep.
That's right, baby. All right, she trimmed out a little bit and make sure. Oh.
What's up, Kevin?
Oh, no, am I doing all right?
Yeah.
Watch out for the trees.
Speed Fresh, RC celebrity. Burning the skies with the PT-17, ladies and gentlemen.
There you go.
Got lead 20 in it.
She trimmed out now.
Oh, yeah. Showing us how it works.
I was bringing a little closer so you can get a clear shot. I don't want to fly over the pilot's booth.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it again. Bring it about right there. Bring it a little closer. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go this way and go around. Do it again.
Remember, you can't go too far out because you know that ladies.
Oh yeah, she'll be complaining.
That's about far as you need to go.
Yep. There's a houseway over there, but there's no houseway down there. All right, somebody's taking up. Zeal's taking up. That's Jimmy White.
And of course, there.
Yep. Nose down just a little bit. There we go.
There you go. All right, take it off. Keep it high.
I'm climbing. Oh yeah, I like it. It's like a real airplane. It's like a real bike plane. All right, I'm on the right pattern now. I'm gonna land in a minute.
Okay. You got a big tank.
Oh yeah.
You probably not even half a tank yet.
Nope.
I just meant to put a big tank in there so
There you go.
Gaggle with the cubs. I can just stay up.
Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry. I just don't want to hit that zero, man. Jesus Christ. and I ain't my plane either. I'll buy you another one, Kevin. Oh, Corsair taking off.
Got a Corsair for you.
Yeah.
Is anybody on the FM transmitter? Greg wants to know because y'all need to get together and make sure you're not in the same sticky.
All right, Kevin, I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna land.
Alright,
Landing!
landing! PT-17 for land, guys!
Is anybody running channel 53?
Alright, you got it.
All right, I just gotta watch out for the trees. Got him.
Alright, now you got it. Yeah, you got it. Butterfly
Oh,
kisses.
that's perfect. Perfect.
Butterfly kisses. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. But I expect nothing less from
That's right.
RC celebrity.
Yeah, Speed Fresh. Team Photographer King of Cali. There we go. Perfect.
Look at it.
Yeah.